Hello guys, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to learn how to protect yourself against AirTag and tile stacking. Apple's Bluetooth powered AirTags can help you locate missing items, but they can also be used to secretly follow you. Here's how to find and disable hidden trackers. Bluetooth trackers, including Apple's AirTag and all of the tiles, are terrific little tools for helping you find your lost keys or remote. Unfortunately, they can also be easily slipped in a bag or affixed on a car for the purpose of stalking. Apple has released a number of AI tag updates to limit this possibility, as well as an app for Android users that let them manually search for rogue, rogue air lags. But that doesn't change the fact that these tiny $13 trackers can still be used to nefarious ways. In fact, Apple is facing a class action lawsuit over this, which a judge recently allowed to move forward, finding that the plaintiffs had enough proof for their claims against Apple for negligence and product liability. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to protect yourself against Bluetooth tracker stalking. We have created a basic guide to help you assist you risk now what to look for and disable and foreign Bluetooth tracker you may find. Consider your risk profile and create a safety plan. Technology facilitated abuse is the use of any technological means to coerce, stalk, or harass another person. According to the CDC latest data, 16% of women and 3.7% of men have been victims of stalking in their lifetime. There are caveats here though this report doesn't separate physical stalking versus cyber stalking, and it was released well before Apple's popular AirTag hit the market. Needless to say, technology has changed significantly since then, so there's a good possibility these numbers don't accurately reflect the current state of cyber stalking. Although anyone can be the larger of a cyberstalker via an AirTag, tile, or hundreds of different tracking apps, certain groups appear to be more vulnerable than others. There is there is little data related to staking using Bluetooth trackers especially, but we can extrapolate based on existing stalking and technology facilitated abuse. While the list is by no means comprehensive, you may want to take extra precautions if you fall into any of the following groups. Women between the age of 18 and 24 and survivors of intimate partner violence are far more likely be stalked. People are most vulnerable to stalking than the general population, according to the SPARC, the Stalking Prevention and Awareness Resource Center, and BIPOC. Teens and young adults, as well as active duty service members who identify as LGBT, have a higher risk factor in the group. Journalists, especially local TV news reporters, are more likely to be the victims of technology facilitated abuse and stalking. Amanda has Shatik, a large for the New York Times, discussed her own experiences with harassment and stalking by a man convicted of murder and how the police failed to take the issue seriously.